had a couple of jobs, labouring. I've worked in a couple of pubs before, and I was ex-army as well. This course has helped me in a big way, because when I left the army, I didn't have any, my skills were terrible with customer service or anything. But since I came on here, my confidence is boosted, my customer service skills, making my coffees, everything's it's just improved. I'm a pretty shy person, so when I was coming into the course, I didn't know what to expect. I was made to feel welcome and meeting new people. I definitely feel a lot more confident. I was confident enough, but it's boosted my confidence a lot more.